Tired of boring, flat text in Word? Learn how to add stunning gradient effects in just a few clicks. So here's what we're going to do today. I'll show you exactly how to highlight your text, open the font color menu, and pick a gradient that pops. It's simpler than you think, and by the end of this video, your text is going to go from plain to absolutely eye-catching. Alright, let's jump in. Start by selecting the text you want to transform. Just click and drag your mouse over it, the same way you would if you were going to change the font or make it bold. It doesn't matter if it's a single word, a headline, or a whole paragraph. Just get it highlighted. This is the part you want to give some personality, so pick something that deserves a little flair. Now next up, locate the Font Color button in the Home tab. It's up on the ribbon at the top of your screen, right in the font section. It looks like a letter A with a colored bar underneath it. Click that little arrow next to it, not the letter itself, the arrow. That's what opens up the full color menu. From that drop-down, you're going to hover over the word gradient. You might see it listed right under the standard color swatches. Sometimes it's labeled, sometimes it just appears as a submenu when you pause your cursor over it. Go ahead and click or hover over gradient. Now browse the preset gradients and pick one that fits your style. This is the fun part. Word gives you a handful of ready-made options like light gradients that go from one shade to another, or dark, dramatic ones. Some are subtle, like a soft fade from blue to green. Others are more vibrant. Just glide your cursor over each one and you'll see a live preview of how it looks on your selected text. Take your time and play around. For more control, click More Gradients at the bottom of that list. This opens up a full formatting panel on the right side of your screen. Here you can really customize things. You can change the colors used in the gradient, choose how many color stops you want, and even control the direction the gradient flows. Want it to go from top to bottom instead of left to right? You can do that. Want to add a third color in the middle? Absolutely. This is where you make it uniquely yours. Once satisfied, apply the gradient and see your text come alive. Just click out of the menu or hit enter, and the effect is locked in. Your text now has that smooth, blended color transition that instantly makes it look more polished and professional. It's a small change, but it makes a huge visual impact. Finally, here are quick tips to make your gradient text pop even more. First, use bold fonts. Gradient effects really shine on thick, chunky lettering. Thin fonts can make the gradient hard to see. Second, stick to 2 or 3 colors maximum. Too many can look messy. And third, always check the contrast. If your document has a busy background, a subtle gradient might get lost. Keep your background simple so your text stays the star of the show. And that's it. You've just leveled up your word game. From now on, you don't have to settle for plain black text. Go ahead, experiment with those gradients, and make your next document something people actually want to read. If this helped, give the video a like and I'll catch you in the next one.